welcome back to Buses, Bikes, and Beers.
Hey everyone.
Hey, we have a short video for you this week. For those of you who haven't seen it, and if you're a subscriber to the channel, I'm sure you've seen it. I had a bicycle accident before we left Taiwan. We'll put a link to the video that talked about when I was in the hospital and some of the things that I went through. We'll also put a link to the accident itself. So there'll be a couple of links here really quick. But one of the important things that we learned, and we knew, but really reiterated for us, was the importance of the helmet. I had some terrible injuries, but they were all injuries that I recovered from. The surgeon at the hospital told me he sees basically two kinds of people when it comes to two-wheeled accidents, whether it's a scooter or a bicycle. It's people that have broken bones like I did and other injuries that they recover from, oftentimes completely recover from like I have. And then there are people who have very long-term consequences, including death. And the difference between those two categories of people is whether people wear a helmet or not. So it's really important that you wear a helmet. And when you do have an accident of any sort, and your helmet protects you like it did me, and literally I had no head injury, and I hit my head hard. There's markings on the helmet that you can see here. The markings here on the side of the helmet show where I smacked my head against the asphalt at the end of the accident. But I had no head injuries. I had a red spot on my head where the padding of the helmet pushed up against my head, but not even a bruise. So it's important to wear a helmet.
And once you experience an incident like that, the helmet's no good anymore. It won't protect your head the next time.
That's exactly right.
It has to be replaced.
It has to be replaced. And I know they're expensive, and you think, oh, well, do I really need to replace it? So if you even have a minor fall on your bike and you hit your helmet, hit your head with your helmet on, replace your helmet. So the rest of this video is what we call New Helmet Day. So this is when I bought a helmet to replace the one that I had after the accident. New Helmet Day.
New Helmet Day.
So this KPlus is the brand helmet I was wearing when I had my accident, and it did such a good job protecting my noggin that I bought another one, and we waited 3 weeks because it was a new model and they didn't have any in stock, so we had to wait 3 weeks. So I got a water bottle as a free gift. Very nice KPlus water bottle.
He got that for pre-ordering his helmet.
And a little beanie hat. Little hat.
He's so excited about the hat. He said he wanted one.
But the best part.
And he got one.
The best part is my new KPlus helmet. Oh, aren't you excited? KPlus helmet.
It got really bright.
Here goes.
This helmet has special reflective areas.
Safety first.
Safety first. This all is reflective. It's the new Nova model.
Super safe.
Yes. Yay! New Helmet Day.
New Helmet Day.